Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to link to website in Notion. So first, you just have to open a template right here. Let's just say I wanted to link a website. So all I have to do is to simply type something here. Like for example, check this out or check this website. Then I'm going to add or link a website here on the word this. So all you have to do is to click that word and then you will see these options above. What you're going to do is you have to look for the link option. Basically, this one is with this like paper clip, I can guess. Okay, so you have to click this one. And after that, you have to look for the specific website that you want to link to your Notion. So let me open a new tab here. For example, I want to add this or link this to my Notion. Okay, Control A, copy, go back to your Notion and then paste that link here and then enter. So if someone wants to read your um, article or website right here, or if you want to share this template and you want to add or link a website right here, when they tap the word this, then it will take them directly to that specific website that you have linked to your Notion or to this word this here on your Notion template or page. So that's basically how to link to website in Notion. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.